Hi guys, welcome back to Lemphalation. This is Jovita here, and in today's video I am doing a makeup tutorial after a very long time, and it was really exciting doing this because it was totally out of my comfort zone, and I tried experimenting with colors, and it's a tutorial on graphic eyeliners without using actual liners but instead using eyeshadows. So I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and if you'd like to learn how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I've done my color correcting, I've done my primer, moisturizer, SPF, all of that, and now I've just put in some foundation around my eyes to cover it up, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Eraser, which is a concealer, just around my eyes. So I'm going to do my eye makeup first, and then I'll finish up my base because I'm not too sure with how it's going to turn out, and in case I need to erase it off, I don't want to take off all of my makeup, so it'll just be my eyes that I have to erase. So I'm going to do my eyes first, and then we're going to move on to the full face. So let's go on to concealer. So now we're going to go into the look. I'm still trying to figure out what colors I want to use. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Electric palette. So this is a very beautiful palette. It's got a lot of different shades in here. Like you can see, it's got a lot of different shades. Also, these are eyeshadows and they're not water activated eyeliners, so I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty fixing spray and using some of the eyeshadow to make the graphic liners. So I'm thinking of doing like a wing, just the wing part with the electric blue, and then we might do a fluorescent green on the inner corner, and then maybe some pink patterns around. So this is what it looks like right now. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to go in with this fluorescent green shade just on the inner corners, and for this I'm just going to be using a flat brush like this. Now we're gonna go in with some pink on the outer corner, just some lines. I'm going to use some of this gold glitter mascara and eyeliner thing that I have and just line it over the blue, and then we're going to use some black and just define the inner corner as well. I'm just going to use a liquid liner and I'm going to define the inner corners. So while we were waiting for the eyeliner to dry, I just went ahead and did my base. So I've done my foundation, blush, highlighter, and just my eyebrows. So now let's go in with our mascara. So I've got the new Maybelline Sky High mascara, and I've really been liking this mascara. Like, let me just zoom you in so you can have a look at the mascara. So this is what it looks like with one coat. I'm just going to be using a mix of two shades, which is the Mecca Max Pout Pop and the Huda Beauty in the shade Baby Face. So this is what both of them look like. So I'm just going to mix these two. So this is what the Mecca Max Pout Pop looks like. Now I'm just going to go in with the Huda Beauty Baby Face. So this is what the eye makeup looks like, and the lips. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and also learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you do have any more suggestions of what kind of videos I could do next, please leave them in the comment section below. And while you subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. That was it. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.